This video shows how you can create new in-house records in MI Pro Materials data by importing data from specially configured Microsoft Excel workbooks. This allows data to be specified offline, and is especially useful when there is a lot of curve data to be defined. The Excel method of authoring materials can be used for creating new material records from scratch, for duplicating existing in-house or reference records, and for updating existing records. To create a new in-house record using Excel, click Template for Import on the toolbar. This will download an Excel workbook, where you can specify the new material properties, including curve data. Open the downloaded workbook in Excel. In the data worksheet, enter the new material name, its preferred material status, and any in-house or general information, and room temperature properties. The record name and preferred material status are mandatory properties, and these cells must be filled in. Under the color heading are RGB values that determine the color assigned to the material in Ansys Workbench and Ansys Discovery. These values are set automatically in the spreadsheet, based on the selected materials subclass, but you can change them, if required. Further down the data worksheet, you can specify room temperature properties. Numerical data can be entered in any compatible unit. Curve data may be entered on the additional worksheets. When curve data exists for a property, it takes precedence over the room temperature data when the material is used for simulation. You can use the built-in Excel charts to quickly check the data. When you have finished specifying the new material properties, save the workbook and close it. To add the new material to MI Pro Materials data, go to the Import app. Click to browse for the Excel file, or drag it into the panel, then click Import. The status, completed, means the import was successful. Finally, return to the Explore app and perform a hard refresh to reload the data. Then find and view the new material to confirm the data was added correctly.